courses Understanding Supervised versus Unsupervised Learning. Today we will explore key concepts in machine learning. So let's get started. To kick things off, let's clarify what we mean by supervised and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning uses labeled data while unsupervised learning works with unlabeled data. Understanding these key approaches is essential for anyone interested in machine learning. So next, that is a supervised learning. Supervised learning involves training a model with labeled data. This means that each training examples include both an input and known output. For instance, in spam detection, the model learns from email marked as a spam or not spam. Similarly, in image classification, it identifies image of a cat versus dog based on given labels. This guidance helps the model make accurate prediction. So, this is completely all about the supervised learning. So the next thing is that what is the unsupervised learning. So in contrast, unsupervised learning trains a model using unlabeled data. This allows the model to discover patterns and structure on its own. For example, customer segmentations group customer based on purchasing behavior without prior labels. In market basket analysis, the model finds association between products that are often brought together, revealing insights into the customer preferences. So this is completely all about unsupervised learning. So the next thing is that key differences between a supervised and unsupervised learning. Now let's highlight the key point here. As you can see here the screen. First, supervised learning, base label data enabling prediction based on known outcomes. Unsupervised learning utilize unlabeled data focusing on uncovering hidden patterns. For example, supervised learning can be applied to spam detection, and while unsupervised learning is ideal for customer segmentation. So this is all about the key differences between supervised and unsupervised. So the next thing is that is some popular algorithms in category. For supervised learning, there is the linear regression, which is completely useful for the continuous outcomes. Another one is a decision tree, which is a versatile tool, which is used for classification and regression tasks. Another one is a support vector machine, which is also known as SVM, which is used for the high dimensional spaces. And in supervised learning, which is most common algorithm is used here, that is K-means clustering, which is used for great for grouping similar data points. So this is all about popular algorithms. So the next is a summary. We covered the essential difference between supervised and unsupervised learning, including their definitions and practical applications. Remember, supervised learning relies on labeled data for prediction, while unsupervised learning at finding the patterns in unlabeled data. So this is all about summary and recap. And thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this session informative. If you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to reach out, and remember to subscribe our channel. Thank you.